Be nice to your sister.
He can balance. Like, oh my god, this girl can balance really good. Look at it.
Ano nangyayari sa Western? Yung problema ko, na Western, kinuha yung extra money ko.
Good morning, Philippines!
You be a good girl. You be a good girl. Yes, you are gonna be a good girl. Come here, right here. Come, Roxy, come here. Do you want something? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come. Who's a good girl? Listen to mama. Who listens to mama? Is that you? Is that you listen to mama? You have to eat your breakfast. You eat your breakfast. Show mama your dish. Did you eat? Come here. Show mama your dish. Come here. Show me your dish. Where is it? Is it clean? You finish your dish? You did? You did? Oh, it's empty. Yes. Nag-ice diri gab. Ice na diri sa amo Ang amo ang palibot ice, di ko kagawas.
Kanang mga tubig kanang mga ice na pwede ko na kanang mga magkuan ko kanang mag-skipping mga kuan ba kanang mga sapatos kung magkuan sila magdagandagan.
Ice skating, ganahanday ka ana. Ganahanday ka ana.
Di sa kingkoy, dili kingkoy.
Naapod na anak diri, pirmi. Guys, today is colder day. Today is more cold. Today is more colder. Guys, tignan nyo si Misty. Nag-slide-slide, oh. Kasi it's a cold day today. Very freezing, icy cold. Look, tignan nyo yan si Roxy Dandan. Yan. Like, it's sunny, guys. Pero, oh my God. It's like ice, guys. You see that? You see that? That's ice. Yeah, it's like the snow become like that. Look. Oh my God. La 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 la. Alala, slide ka, alala. Naglalaro yung dalawa ay. Naglalaro. Ay, naku. It's so windy so guys, my God. Lalala. Roxy always happy with the snow. Tignan niyo si Roxy. She annoyed her sister. Kawawang Misty. Naghanap talaga siya ng grass, guys. Naghanap talaga siya ng grass. Si Roxy palaging nakatingin dito. Naghanap yan ng grass. Kawawa kasi oh, eyes. Wala namang grass, Mysticals. Ay, wala namang grass. Ay, kawawa. Be nice to your sister. Eyes, guys. So, eyes. Look. Naginawan yan, guys. Naginawan yan. Tignan nyo yan. Naginawan na yan kasi sobrang ginaw. Oh my God, kawawa naman. Oh my God. No, look. Naginawan na yan. Kapag gumaganon yung paa niya, yung parang itataas niya. So, nagiginawan na yan. Nagiginawan na. Okay, coming in. I'll give you Bonsi. Come here. Be careful, Rox. Ala. Ginoo ko, Lord. Let's go outside, guys. Good morning. This squirrel won't let go. Okay, Rox. Hold on, Rox. It's raining, guys, and it's not really that cold. But I want this squirrel gone. Hold on. Hindi siya, so, maginaw siya, guys, pero hindi sobrang ginaw. May aso doon ay sa kapitbahay. And the squirrel just keep eating the ano. The heck? Is that a dog or a lion? May aso doon sa kapitbahay. Aso ba yun? Pero guys, nagme-melt na yung snow. Sana mag-melt na sa driveway para makaalis na ako, guys. Roxy, kinakain mo yung snow? You go do your business and then I will let you in. This is squirrel, guys. It's just been eating the bird food. It's like, look at that food. Squirrel ate most of it. This is squirrel. Look, he's coming back. He's coming back. Ay, naku. He can balance. Like, oh my God, the squirrel can balance really good. Look at it. My gee. Oh my God. But they're the cutest squirrel. Look at it, look. Wow, that. Hi guys, good morning! Good morning guys, naglilinis lang ako guys. And now it's time to clean up the bedroom area. Maliligo din ako after. And also guys, hindi pa ako naliligo. And bulingit pa rin. And marami pang mga patchy area on my face. Maraming patchy-patchy and dryness sa mukha ko. So, pasensya na kapag may nakikita kayong mga dryness dyan, mga flaky white thing. Because yun ang problema. Pag winter, good morning. So, look, maulan-ulan.
Yung panahon ngayon, basa. Look. And also, I'm waiting for my driveway na wala ng snow. Pero meron pa. Nagme-melt siya. The problem is that snow is melting and it's raining. And tomorrow, it's gonna be cold. So, whatever left water on my driveway, it's gonna be ice again. Naisipan ko lang siyang ilagay dyan, guys. Kasi para may space dito. This couch, guys, is supposedly sa office ni Tommy. Pero, oh my God. Kasi ito kasing couch na to is maging bed. May big pelo. Itong pelo na to is really big. Look. Labhan ko ito. Ito, guys. Kinaviran ko lang ito kasi kasi itim. Kasi yun ang gusto ni Tommy, itim, diba? Mahilig si Tommy sa itim. So, kaya yun, I covered it. That, hindi, kasi si Hubs, kapag andito, palaging andito. So, that's why I covered it. Yeah, I just came up actually, hon.
Oh, I spoke to you earlier. You said you were waiting to do a shower.
Oh yeah, I take a shower already. I did laundry, but I have to babysit the laundry because of the blanket. It's heavy. I don't want like keep moving the washing machine, so I babysit it down there while my hair is wet. I came up here to dry my hair.
It says delivered yesterday.
Hala.
But they didn't send me a message though.
Hi guys! I-address natin yon kasi may nagtatanong kung ano nangyayari sa Western. Yung problema ko na Western, kinuha yung extra money ko, plus malaki yung kinuha nila, na hindi naman malaki yung sa bangko ko. But anyway, i-insert ko tong clip na to guys dito sa video na to. And, sabihin ko sa inyo kung anong nangyayari. Kung hindi nyo na kikita yung video na yun, kung ano yun, i-research nyo na lang sa video na download ko sa channel na ito. Naghintay ako kay Tommy. Hindi ko sinabi. The next day, the next week, tinawagan namin yung, sabi ko kay Tommy na si Tommy na shock siya. And sabi ko, tawagan ko sila, pero dapat andito ka sa tabi ko kasi magnunosebleed ako. At saka, si Tommy walang pasensya sa mga tawag-tawag, yung tawag na wala kang makausap, na ang tagal makasagot. So, yun. So, ako yung naghintay. Tinawagan namin Western. Tinawagan namin din yung bangko. So, hindi ko na-explain lahat, guys. Pero, okay naman yung sa bangko. Ang laki ng charge. Wala na tayong magawa. Kasi kapag mag-overdraft ka, kasi sa bangko, kapag yung money mo sa bangko is wala na talaga at zero na, magcha-charge ka ng overdraft. And magcha-charge ka $35 yung charge nila. So, kapag yung bangko mo is empty, kanyang overdraft, ang laking kinuha, or hindi ko talaga maintindihan yung bangko kasi wala naman akong bangko noon, guys. Hindi ko naman talaga alam yung mga ganito. Pero yes, $35 yung overdraft. ano nila. Yun. And, so, tinawagan namin yon. So, okay na. Hindi ko na-explain kung anong mga blah 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 nila doon. And, ang sa Western Union kasi tinawagan ko sila. And then, naghintay ako ng matagal kasi yung agent, yan. So, diba, yung mga sumasagot, first, ang unang sumagot is yung mga computer thing, and like, oh, can you see this? Oh, I want this, lalala. And then, malapit mag 1 hour talaga yung tawag na ginagawa ko, naghihintay. So, ini-explain ko yung ganyan, yung nangyayari sa Western. Basta, ini-explain ko kung ano yung nangyayari. Then, after that, ako si Mary Ann, ako yung may-ari ng my account. Pinasa ko kay Tami. To make a story short, guys, hindi ko na, kasi ang taas ng istorya, guys. So, few days from now, ibabalik na nila yung baka mga 2 days ando na yung pera, ibabalik nila kasi yung pera kasi 2,000, isabihin ko na sa inyo, 2,000 something yung andun sa bangko, di ba? 2,000 something, mga 2,500. So ang sinend ko is 2,000. So nawala yung 2,000 plus charge nila, di ba? Plus charge sa pagpadala, di ba? Yung charge sa pagpadala, hindi ko na alam kung magkano yung bank, yung checking account to Western Union outlet. Hindi ko na alam, parang $20 man ata. $20 man ata. Kasi ang laki, di ba, 2,000. So, ang laki, bas kapag depende kasi yan sa pera na pinapadala mo. So, $20 man ata yung charge. But anyway, so yun. So, kung ano man yung natira sa 2,000, nakuha lahat. So, simot lahat, di ba? So, yun. And, so, nag-ano kami na ipa-refund yung na-extra nakuha sa unang charge, sa unang padala ko. 'Di ba? Nagpadala ako una, hindi ko tinuloy yung transaction na yon. So, kinuha pa rin nila, 'di ba? So, dapat ibalik nila yung extra money na nakuha nila sa 2,000 na second padala ko. Confusing, guys, 'di ba? Confusing. So, but to make a story short, binalik nila yung pera, guys. Ibabalik nila yung pera, mga direct refund siya sa Western Union at saka doon sa bangko. So, doon na. So, yun. At saka yung account ko, yung checking account ko kasi, dalawa kasi yung savings at saka checking. So, ang ginawa ko is, nilagyan ko yun, inisplit ko yung sa savings ko, nilagay ko sa checking. Para naman hindi zero no yung checking. Kasi kapag zero yan, mag-charge siya. Ang laki ng charge, guys, ang laki ng charge. So, yun. So, inisplit ko yun para hindi monthly mag-charge ng malaki, diba? And wala na tayong pera. Yun yung nangyayari, guys. So, maghintay na lang ako. Chine-check ko yung account ko. Yes, chine-check ko palagi kung ando na. Mga baka few days from now, ando na yun. And, so yun. So, yun lang, guys. And, yun lang yung natin. Bote na lang. Sumakit yung ulo ko, guys. Ang dami kong tubig. Ang dami kong nainom na tubig. Pang-limang na ito. Pang-limang ito, bottle. Dapat talagang may ako dito, yung tubig na So, anyway, guys. So, yun lang, guys. I just let you know kasi may nagtatanong, diba? So, yun. So, yun. Hintay na lang tayo. Ang naka talaga sa Western Union, guys, is yung tawag-tawag. Yung pagtawag talaga is matagal. But anyway, guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Thank you guys so much for watching. Please thumbs up this video if you do like. And also, guys, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Malapit na tayong 30,000 and yeah, malapit na tayong mag 30,000. And then giveaway, guys. Please sharing this video. Please keep sharing the video, guys, para abot tayo ng 30,000. Magpa-giveaway tayo and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye.